I am Galileo Galilei, born on February 15, 1564, in Pisa, Italy, under skies that made me question whether the heavens whispered their own secrets. As a child, I raced along marble porticos of my family home, entranced by the patterns of wind and water. At 17, a swinging lamp in Pisa's cathedral unlocked a revelation. Motion obeyed mathematical rules waiting to be written. Leaving Pisa for Padua, I taught geometry, crafted a geometric compass that could calculate ballistics, and demonstrated gravity by allegedly dropping spheres from the leaning tower. Each experiment deepened my conviction that nature spoke in numbers. But nothing matched the thrill of my homemade telescope in 1609. Scraping lenses from Venetian glass, I gazed at a world unseen. Moon craters emerged like silent cities. Sunspots scrawled fleeting signatures across our nearest star, and Jupiter revealed 4 moons, dancing around him in majestic arcs. I dedicated these Medicean stars to Grand Duke Cosimo II, claiming his patronage and seating me at Venice's court. My Siderius Nuncius spread my name across Europe, and I reveled in the roar of discovery. At my defense of Copernicus's sun-centered universe stirred whispers of heresy. When I published Dialogue concerning 2 chief world systems in 1632, the Church looked upon my words as a challenge to divine order. In 1633, I stood before the Roman Inquisition, a frail scholar facing condemnations harsher than any thunderbolt. Under pressure, I whispered the words they demanded, but in my heart, I held fast to my vision. Back in Florence, confined to my villa, I refused captivity of mind. By candlelight, I sketched the laws of motion, falling bodies, inertia, harmonic pendulums, and laid the groundwork for physics in 2 new sciences. Even as my body weakened, my spirit soared beyond barred windows. They claimed victory when I recanted, but centuries later, every telescope trained on the night sky whispers, and yet it moves. I am Galileo, artisan of the stars, architect of motion, rebel whose questions ignited a revolution, and whose echo still guides us when we dare to look up. My final breath on January 8, 1642, could not still the truths I unveiled, which ride on comet trails and whirl in every galaxy we discover.